let's take a look at the problem that we're trying to solve. So you throw a ball to your friend Mindy, who's standing 22 meters in front of you. Then you immediately pivot 49 degrees counterclockwise and throw another ball to your friend Rob, who is 18 meters away from you. To the nearest meter, how far is Rob standing from Mindy? So let's do our best to draw this. Okay, so I'm going to say that this is me right here. Directly in front of me is Mindy, and that's 22 meters. So it's going to be a rough sketch, but this is a line of 22 meters. Now, you're going to pivot 49 degrees counterclockwise, so that's going back this way. And then, so let's say we're facing out like this. So we've got our friend Rob 18 meters away from us. So let's just say that this is Rob over here. And again, it doesn't matter that we have this drawn out to scale perfectly. We just want to get the sides and angles set up. So this is going to be a 49-degree angle. Okay, so what I can recognize, I'm trying to solve this side. That's going to be my distance from Rob to Mindy. I have two sides and an included angle. So this is Law of Cosines, and we don't have any labels on our angles or sides, but that doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to use this formula here. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. Okay. So B is going to be, let's say B is 18 and C is 22. So I'm calling this B and C, but it really, at this point, it does not matter. This is the side we're solving for. These are the two given sides. So however we set that up, we're actually still going to get the same answer. Let's go through now and plug in. So you're going to have a squared equals 18 squared plus 22 squared. Subtract 2 times 18 times 22 times the cosine of 49. Okay, so I'm going to put all this in the calculator. It'll come out to about 288.4. a squared, and in my last step I'll take the square root, so a is going to be the square root of 288.4, and that comes out to 16.98. So the question just says to the nearest meter, and that is 17. So the distance from Rob to Mindy is going to be 17 meters. Okay, so let's make sure we put in the units, 17 meters. And that's how we're going to work that question.